Look how cool this is. I'm vlogging here. I'm vlogging here.
As far back as I can.
Okay, think I got everything. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, so today we're staying at the Palazzo, one of the few strip properties I have yet to do. It's the sister property and second tower at the Venetian, and I'm really excited to be here. The room we're staying at is known as the Prestige Premium King Suite. We're currently waiting for it because it's not ready yet, and we're hanging out in the Prestige Lounge, which is an exclusive lounge only for the Prestige Suite members, people staying at that place, at the rooms. And we have some treats, muffin, aqua. All right, our room is ready. All right, it's time for a quick room tour. Let's do it. So I've had a lot of experience staying at the Venetian through my history of Vegas, but the Palazzo I've only stayed once before. Overall, it's a very similar feel to the Venetian as far as the rooms go, just a tad bit different, and it's newer too, so it's a bit more fresh than the Venetian rooms. And I'm excited because above the casino floor is the Grand Canal shops. They have them at the Venetian, they also have them at the Palazzo, but they just finished the addition of those shops at the Palazzo. For a while they had been working on them, so I'm really excited to check those out and do a little bit of shopping. And then we're also going to show you some of the pools because there's 10 different bodies of water here between the Palazzo and Venetian. That's a lot of wet water to have fun in, lots of water. The only bummer about the pools is that they all close at 6. That sucks. I remember they used to be open like until 9 or 10. They used to be open until late, but I don't know. I feel like Corona is messing everything up. I don't know. Let's go shopping. Okay, there's a clothing store called Robert Graham that looks like they have some nice Pomsey style shirts. We're about to head there. And also check this out. Ooh, I like that one over there.
Yeah, that one's nice.
That's so cool. How much do you think it'll be?
I'll say 180.
I was gonna say 175.
Stop.
Yeah. I don't know if I
That's
could buy that. It's too expensive.
Let's see how much it is.
Oh well. Come on. Okay, so it's 30% off though.
No. There's already the 30% off.
Oh no. Oh no. It's really cool though. This one's also pretty cool. How much is this one? 300. Oh my gosh. Robert, what are you doing?
That shirt is so nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Ah.
We really like that shirt, but they didn't have our size, or my size, and it was $200, so I wasn't gonna buy it either way, honestly. That's really expensive. The alley? Okay.
The alley. We should have gotten coffee here.
So for the most part, this place is comprised of designer retail shops and restaurants. There is a coffee shop here though. And there's a lot of nice little seating areas here as well. Hey look, they got a karaoke place. That's fun. This brewery has a separate room dedicated for skee ball. It's like a little room with a couch and some skee ball. So we just found this cool little business. It's called the Museum of Dream Space, MODS for short. And it's essentially just a business full of really cool rooms with really unique backdrops for selfies or regular pictures, non-selfies. And we figured, why not check it out? It looks really, really cool. Look at this. Whoa! This is really a lot cooler than I thought it would be. I really want to say something inspirational and motivational right now, but nothing's coming to mind. Nothing at all. Other than check this out if you come to the Palazzo. Look how cool this is. I'm vlogging here. Oh, I hit one of them. Moving on to the next room. Ooh, this one's cool.
Ooh, I have a really cool idea
What?
for a picture. Actually, no.
Actually, no. This is the last room. Pretty cool experience though, $20 a person. Not bad. I had fun.
Every time it's super slow, so we're trying to like pick it up. That's like more frequent.
Okay, so what we just showed you was the main pool area where there's 7 different pools, including a couple different, hot tubs and stuff like that. That's on the 3rd floor. Now we are on the 10th floor right now at the Venetian, and this is where the more secluded, quieter, more chill, private pool is at. They have the pool here, and they also do have hot tubs as well. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I have a little bit of time left to show you some more of the Palazzo. This is interesting. They're having a slot tournament here. A Spinferno slot tournament. So look at this. There's all these slots, all the same brand. So not only do they have an award-winning spa here, they also have the Healthy Feet Center. So I really regret not experiencing the spa here. There's two ends to the spa. There's the spa end that's in the Palazzo, and then another end that's in the Venetian, and it's connected through a long hallway. And basically the spa is at the Palazzo, and they also have a small fitness center. They have a gift shop, a barber, and then when you walk through the pathway that connects them, you get to the Venetian side. And on the Venetian side is an even bigger fitness center with a rock wall, and they have a special eatery there and all sorts of really cool stuff. The award-winning spa is the one thing I would say that I wish I would have experienced this trip. Maybe next time though. Maybe next time. And that about wraps it up for my stay at Palazzo. Thank you guys for watching. Vegas, baby. Vegas.